This one's from Uncle B and Aunt Hattie. See? Drive
Boys
something.
just know what to do.
They just like to drive stuff.
He knows what to do.
They just like to drive it.
I'll open this one.
Good thing you have a brother to open your presents for you.
That's right.
He's too busy playing with them.
That's all right.
I think I'd...
Keeps him happier too. Oh my goodness, what have you got
Oh,
now?
good. Turner, you have your own blocks. You will not tear down griffins and you won't eat griffins.
Whoa.
Be griffin mad. Oh, that is the cutest truck.
Big truck.
Need to take it out of the box though.
Yeah,
It needs to come out.
You have to let Daddy or Grandpa do that. Take it over to Grandpa and see if he knows how to do that.
He knows how to fix my windows. I'll let him.
I love you. You want to get this one? Turner. I didn't take this one out of the box. Turner. Did he get
Turner's
this?
box now, right?
That would have been enough.
I know, he's done.
He doesn't care about the tissue paper like Griffin did.
Yeah.
I love that. I'm trying to get him.
Oh, he's got to go see.
Little bit of
He
snorty
knows- he knows
face.
He's
Mommy,
got something
there's a
over
red
there.
thing, and then the back open, and you put it back and forward, and then the dumpster opens
It
up.
does?
Listen.
Yeah.
You'll have to teach Turner how to do it.
Well, that's what Turner got here.
Oh, cute. Well, hang on here. I'll take a picture.
Yes, you are.
Hey. Hey.
At least for his
You
book,
push that? Can you push that?
I thought you looked Griffin's signs and everything. I gotta take a picture of at least the signs so I can have it in books.
No.
He wants to push it